Welcome back to Weight Loss Smoothie Sensations. A smoothie can be a convenient and nutritious addition to a healthy diet, helping you to reach your weight loss goals. Let's go make one now. In today's video, I'm going to go over a metabolism boosting green smoothie recipe. I hope you will follow along step by step at home. Let's get into it. This green smoothie is designed to help boost your metabolism, provide essential nutrients, and help support your weight loss goals. The combination of greens, fruits, spices, and chia seeds in this smoothie offers a nutrient-dense and is an energizing beverage that can be a great addition to a healthy eating plan. Okay, so if you are following along at home, the ingredients include 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of kale, 1/2 cucumber, 1/2 green apple, 1/2 banana, 1/2 lemon juiced, half of a fresh ginger root peeled, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. Go ahead and screenshot this list, jot it down so you can go to the store and get everything you need to make this delicious green smoothie. Now that we have our ingredients, let's go ahead and combine the spinach, kale, cucumber, green apple, banana, lemon juice, fresh ginger, cinnamon, chia seeds, almond milk. Combine them all in the blender. If you like a colder smoothie, you can always go ahead and add a few ice cubes. Once you have all your ingredients in the blender, go ahead and blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Everybody likes a different consistency. Pour your smoothie into a glass and enjoy. One of the best things about green smoothies is that they are nutrient dense, rich in vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants, which can support weight loss as they can help you feel full without consuming a lot of calories. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you will make this metabolism boosting green smoothie at home, and please comment down below if you liked it. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency really is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. They're all linked in the description box down below. You can check out all of my weight loss videos at Healthy Days. In the meantime, live healthy, live happy, live on purpose. See you next time.